This is Pioneer's DMH-WC5700NEX. This is a very unique product because it's the latest in our lineup of high-end NEX receivers. But this product is especially unique because this is one of Pioneer's Modular Solutions products. This physically separates the touchscreen LCD from the external chassis, meaning that we now have a variety of installation options that were previously unavailable. This especially is important for vehicles like this Chevrolet Camaro because this product actually, or this vehicle, has very limited depth behind the LCD screen at all, meaning that you cannot install a traditional aftermarket radio in this vehicle without Pioneer's Modular Solutions. We still make all of the same electrical connections with the vehicle, but it allows an owner of a Chevrolet Camaro such as this, or another vehicle that has the need for this Pioneer Modular Solutions receiver, to install a product and upgrade their technology to include features such as Amazon Alexa built-in, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, their audio, and just an array of connectivity solutions that Pioneer brings to the aftermarket. So let's take a quick look at what makes this product very unique. As you can see, it's a tile-based user interface. It's a very unique interface that gives us that flexibility to support all kinds of different information in this tile-based structure. So you can see now when I click on my weather, this is actually utilizing the internet connection of this NEX receiver based on Wi-Fi as well as phone connectivity, and it's pulling in all of our weather information, including the forecast for the next several days. This product also features a capacitive touchscreen, meaning that we can do other types of gestures with this. So I can swipe up, and now I'll get to my favorite radio stations. These radio stations could be my HD radio or my Sirius XM, other types of sources of this unique 2021 Pioneer NEX interface right here on our screen. So now let's take a look at how integrated Amazon Alexa is with this Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX. So first let's start by playing some music. Listening to music is such a central part of the driving experience. Alexa, play Rainy Day by Who's Taylor.
Rainy Day by Who's Taylor on Amazon Music.
We can even control connected home devices. Alexa, turn on the guest room.
Okay.
One of my favorite parts about this integration is the ability now to do e-commerce. So I drive about 45 to 60 minutes on my commute each way, and so when I'm in my car is when I'm thinking about things that I need to add to our shopping list. Alexa, add toilet paper to our shopping list.
I added toilet paper to your shopping list.
So as you can see, it's very seamless and easy. And now when I get to the office or I get home, I can quickly go to my Alexa app, open my shopping list, and add those things to my cart to complete our shopping. Now let's take a look at some of the other smartphone integration features of Pioneer's DMH-WC5700NEX. First, we'll take a look at Apple CarPlay. And it's just like any other Apple CarPlay interface. So it provides the main home screen capabilities, particularly calling, music, maps, and messages. And because Apple CarPlay is powered by Siri, you're able to do many of the same functions you can on your iPhone, but now wirelessly and hands-free through the car, just simply by either pressing the steering wheel button if you have a voice button, or pressing and holding the menu button to get Siri listening to the Apple CarPlay interface in the car. So let me demonstrate just a few of those things. Take us to LAX.
One moment. Getting directions to Los Angeles International Airport.
So I can easily use my voice to ask for directions. Of course, everything is by voice, powered by Siri, so I can send and receive text messages without ever looking at the screen or having to type in anything or read anything. All messages are dictated to Siri, and all messages incoming are read back to me by Siri. That's just a quick and easy overview of Apple CarPlay and its interface and capabilities through Pioneer's DMH-WC5700NEX. Now let's take a look at another smartphone integration of the Pioneer in-dash receiver, and that's Android Auto. And just like we had with Apple CarPlay, the connection between my Android device and the Pioneer in-dash receiver is completely wireless. So I don't have to plug in a USB cable. Of course I can if I would like to charge the phone, but everything else is completely wireless. So I'm connecting to the Android device both by Wi-Fi direct connection as well as maintaining a Bluetooth connection between my Android device and the Pioneer in-dash receiver. I'm just going to ask and demonstrate a few functions. Take us to Ontario Airport.
All right, Ontario International Airport, ONT. Let's go.
Now with Android Auto, it's very unique because it does give you the ability to use multiple navigation apps. So you can set one of them by default to be what is used by Google Assistant as you ask for help. Next, I'll demonstrate a little bit of music. Play my Auto playlist on YouTube Music.
All right, playing your YouTube music playlist called Auto.
And that's just very quickly a brief overview of Android Auto wirelessly through Pioneer's DMH-WC5700NEX. Lastly, I'll take you through a brief overview of all of the other features and functions that are included in the Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX in-dash receiver. The DMH-WC5700NEX is SiriusXM ready. SiriusXM ready allows you to listen to ad-free music, plus all the sports, talk, comedy, and news coverage all in one place. Simply connect a SiriusXM Connect SXV300 vehicle tuner to start listening, plus receive additional features like Tune Mix, Sports Flash, and Traffic and Weather Now. The DMH-WC5700NEX also features a built-in HD radio tuner for more stations and digital sound to provide the best selection of local radio with amazing features and no subscription or monthly fees. Besides broadcasting in clear digital quality, many stations offer extra local multicast channels so you can enjoy more music, news, and sports. The DMH-WC5700NEX also supports the HD radio artist experience to display song titles, album art, and station information. Applying over 80 years experience in the design of high-fidelity audio products, the DMH-WC5700NEX is high-res audio certified and features audio-grade discrete components for superior sound quality. So that's our brief overview of Pioneer's DMH-WC5700NEX. Again, a digital media receiver, in-dash receiver, part of Pioneer's modular solutions lineup, and one of our high-end NEX receivers that includes Wi-Fi built-in, Apple CarPlay over a wireless connection or a wired connection, Android Auto, also over a wired connection or a wireless connection, HD radio built-in, SiriusXM capability, as well as many other functions. This product is high-res certified, has multiple installation capabilities, and it is a part of Pioneer's 2021 lineup.